In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize your own online store using Wix, a platform known for its user-friendly interface and diverse customization options. First things first, go to wix.com and log into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it, but it's a straightforward process. Once logged in, look for the Create New Site option and click on it. This is where the magic begins. Now, one of the first decisions you'll need to make is choosing the right plan for your business needs. Wix offers different plans such as Basic, Unlimited, and VIP Commerce. If you're planning to sell products online, I recommend opting for a Wix Business and e-commerce plan, as it provides essential features for online stores. After selecting your plan, click on Continue to Dashboard. You'll be taken to your site's dashboard, which serves as the control center where you can manage all aspects of your site. Next, click on Design Site to start crafting the look and feel of your store. Here, you'll have the option to pick a template. Wix has a gallery of customizable templates categorized by business type. If you're setting up an online store, head over to the templates library and select Online Store. Choose a template that aligns with your brand's vibe, be it fashion, digital products, or services. Remember, you can always tweak the design later with Wix Editor or Wix Studio. To really make your site your own, you can customize your store design. With the Wix Editor, you can easily drag and drop elements to change fonts, colors, and layouts. Add your logo and brand images to give a personal touch. Don't forget to adjust the navigation menus so that customers can easily find pages like Home, Shop, About, and Contact. For those looking for premium design capabilities, Wix Studio offers a more advanced, responsive design environment. Once your design is in place, it's time to add products. Within the dashboard, navigate to Store Products and click on Add Product. You'll need to provide details like the product name, description, price, and options like sizes or colors. Don't forget to upload attractive images or videos of your products. Organize everything with collections or categories to make it easier for customers to browse. Next, set up your payment methods by going to Settings and selecting Accept Payments. Here you can link payment gateways such as Stripe, PayPal, and Wix Payments. Additional steps involve setting your currency and configuring shipping and taxes to ensure smooth order fulfillment. It's crucial to optimize your store for mobile users. Click on Mobile View in the editor to make sure fonts, images, and buttons are mobile friendly. Finally, click Preview to see how your store looks across different devices. Test the functionality by placing a trial order. Once everything looks good, go ahead and publish your site. Don't forget to connect your custom domain and set up SEO settings to attract more visitors. Marketing your store is easy with tools like Wix email marketing, social media integrations, and Google Ads. And there you have it. Click Done to finalize your setup. You're now ready to start attracting customers and making sales. Good luck with your new online venture, and remember to keep tweaking and improving your site as you grow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.